I am bringing to your notice 1 minute.
Yeah, please.
Half second.
No, what? Take half a minute. No problem.
No, 1 minute.
Make the point.
Alleged disregard to disorderly conduct of the member. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct is not in order.
Right, sir. Once I heard you in rapt attention.
Violation of the rules.
Right. I heard you. Kharge please.
This suspension of 12 members may kindly be revoked. I request you, sir.
Please.
And no, we came to your house. And, sir, 1 minute. We all members came to your house. We requested you to revoke it, and it has been done selectively. There are some members, nothing to do with this. But this incident happened in last session. How can you take this?
Right.
So,
I heard the LOP. Let me clearly clarify it for the sake of the understanding of the House as well as the nation. The Rajya Sabha is a continuing institution. And the chairman of the House of the Rajya Sabha is empowered 256, 259, 266, even other residuary powers also. Chairman can take action and also the House can take action. What happened yesterday is not chairman taking action. It is the House, after a resolution is moved, that has taken action. And also, please, please, hear me. Even about these members, on 10th August, go through the records. If you want, I will ask that to be released again. 10th, we have named members. On 10th, we have named members. We have requested them also to go to their respective seats. I appealed. Please, Ramesh, when the chair is speaking, you are not supposed to disturb him. I heard the LOP. Right. Okay. Not the House except the opposition, some opposition parties. Okay, I agreed. And then 1 minute coming. No, please sit down. No, please. When a chair is speaking, don't interrupt him. It will not go on record. I will not call you again. And I heard him fully. These people on 10th August go through the proceedings of the House. The deputy chairman made appeal number of times. Sometimes even took the names also. Later also it was in the bulletin also it was published about the people who are engaged in this act. And 11th, no, you say no. You say no. I am not doing it. Please. What is this? What is this? What is this? Please sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Mr. Venugopal. This is not the way. See, you try to mislead the House. You disturbed the House. You ransacked the table, and you also throw the papers on the chair, and also you have got, some of them have gone down to the table, and then you are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. So this is not the way. The motion was moved. It was approved. Action is taken. It is final. If the members who have committed this sacrilege against the House, they have not expressed any remorse. On the other hand, they are justifying. And so I don't think the appeal of the leader of opposition is worth considering. I am not considering it at all. I am not considering. Juror about the flood situation. Juror Mr. G.K. Vasan. Issue of heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Vasan. Please sit down. Please sit down. Very important issue. Very important issue.
This is a matter.
Yes, what happened in the House earlier was a matter of democracy. That's why action is taken.
I called the members to hear this. Tamil Nadu is reeling under heavy rains for the past 1 month. The state of Tamil Nadu has
Mr.
been
Vasan.
severely affected.
That has been disposed of. Please sit down. Please sit down, Mr. Suraj Sivan and Bitter. Please sit down. Otherwise, I have to